Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to import NFT to your Metamask. Let's start! So first things first, just make sure that you're successfully logged into your Metamask. You can do this on your mobile phone, like using the app, or you can also do this on your computer. Very easy to determine the tokens and NFTs on your wallet is that you would be able to see, here you're displaying your token, and then if you just need to check on this part right here, it has NFTs. So what's an NFT? If you want to learn more about NFT, guys, like in terms of the specifics, you can actually subscribe to our channel, and then you can learn a lot of video tutorials in there, so you would be able to understand more of cryptocurrency. NFTs are pretty much assets on blockchain with unique identification, and how I understand it is like, you can have it as collectibles if you're into arts, if you're into games, if you're into like characters. That's what our, most of our artists are are doing nowadays to be part of the NFT world so that they could sell or bid or, pretty much, make money in NFT. So how to transfer NFT to your wallet? It's pretty simple. It's just like transferring token. So the only difference is that you're transferring NFT. So what you will do is just click on this one right here that says import NFTs. It's the most bottom of the page. And each NFT, guys, will have their own address. You just need to paste that right here. And after the address, all NFTs as well, yeah, from what I know, they have a distinct or unique ID that you need to put because that means you're the only owner of the NFT. Once you have that, just hit on import after. And once that's done, I actually have the second, the second NFT that I have here is pretty much a digital art, and I think it's relevant to what we have right now, pandemic, and this part of my collection. So I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.